How to fix App Store cannot connect on your iPhone. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I'll show you that how can you fix the problem like App Store cannot be connected on your iPhone. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the settings on your iPhone. Alright, so after you open the settings, you'll got such interface. So from here, you'll have to just scroll down and go the option general. Okay, so from the general, you'll have to scroll down at the bottom and go the options like VPN and device management. Alright, so from this section, make sure that you are not connected to a VPN from here, so you have to turn off it, and after you turn off, you'll have to just back from here, and from here you'll have to just go with the options like data and time. So from the general section, you'll have to go the option data and time. Alright, so from the section, make sure that you have turned on these features like set automatically, so you have to turn on this, and after you turn on this, you'll have to just back from here, and from the general section again you'll have to go the options like software updates, so simply tap on it. Alright, so from the software update section, if you are finding any updates for your iOS, you'll have to just update the latest version of iOS on your iPhone. So after you done it, you'll have to just back from here, and from the main settings you'll have to just scroll down at the bottom and go the options like apps. Okay, so from the app section you'll have to just open the App Store, and now from the App Store section you'll have to scroll down and go the options like personalized recommendations, so simply tap on it. Okay, so from this recommendation section you'll have to go the options like clear app usage data. So after you tap on that option, you'll have to just log in with your Apple ID again on your App Store. So after you done all of the procedure from here, you'll be able to fix that problem. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.